Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part I believe 121, and today we are going to look at the slideUp function which comes under the sliding effects. So before I proceed, I'm assuming that you're having a jQuery file within your project and you have added the reference of that into your head section of an HTML document. Next, you might have written some basic JavaScript code in order to execute our jQuery instructions. Alright, so let's have a look at the markup. So I have is one h2 here, one div element which has two paragraphs inside, and in the end I have a button. So let me do a quick preview and see how does it look like. So as usual, h2, two paragraphs wrapped within a div, and one button, right? And the blue color and the border is coming because of this class blue, and the CSS is right here. So nothing fancy. So now what slideUp actually does, the slideUp means hiding an element, right? And in the sliding style. So how this works, so if I want to show you a demo, so let's imagine that this blue color div I want to hide using a slideUp function. So what can I do? So once I click this button, it slides up, right? And it hides the element. So that's what it does. So how it does, so what I have here is a button. So I have registered a button over here on document.ready by saying once this button is clicked, execute the slideUp on all the div elements. So let's say if this class is blue, and if I'm repeating the same thing and I'm not specifying any class or anything, and instead I'm saying this is 5 and this is 6. So let's preview that in browser. So you can see what's happening here. This is my old div and this is my new div. So the moment I say slideUp, it impacts both the div elements, right? But actually what I wanted was only this div element should get affected. So I can be more specific by saying all I want is only this element should get affected. This element should be untouched. So let's do the refresh again and see. Now this time only this guy will get affected. Indeed, right? So you understand now how the slideUp works, and you need to be careful while passing in the selectors, right? All right. So up next we're going to start with the slide down. All right, so I hope to see you there, and once again thank you for watching this and thank you for your time on this. Good night and take care.